Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a Karcher 10 metre drain cleaning hose. You'll notice this particular one has one forward facing nozzle and three rear facing jets. So the forward facing nozzle will dig a hole through the obstruction, and the three rear facing nozzles will drive the hose along the drain for you, flushing it out. This particular one has the standard Karcher Domestic adapter on the end, so that will push and twist into your standard Karcher trigger gun. So whether you've got a K series, a K2, 3, 4, 5 or K7, or any of the latest Karcher models, the Comforts, the Home, the full control models, this will definitely fit your Karcher Domestic pressure washer, and that's the 10 metre standard drain cleaning hose from Karcher.